MmHmm. I hope you looked at the last video where I highlighted some essential spices to stock in your pantry. In this video, we'll be using some of those same spices to create a tandoori spice blend to season up some chicken patties to make a delicious chicken burger. And my condiment of choice here is a simple curry mustard that's a perfect complement for this burger. To start things off, you want to go ahead and toast off some of our spices over a medium flame. Add cardamom, coriander seeds, methi, jeera, and black peppercorns. You want to toast them until these spices start to pop and release that wonderful aroma. After toasting, you want to go ahead and grind the spices into a powder using a mortar and pestle or a spice grinder. Combine with paprika and cayenne pepper. Season your minced chicken with salt, garlic, shadow beni, and our spice blend. Combine well and allow to marinate for at least 1 hour. And while the marinating process isn't mandatory, the flavor of the seasonings will definitely permeate the meat if you allow it to sit for some time. Apply some oil to your hands and form the meat into patties. You could go ahead and make these as big and as thick as you like. To maintain an even heat, use a cast iron skillet or griddle. But if you don't have either, you could also use a regular frying pan. If you made your patties at least ½ inch thick like I did here, you want to allow it to cook on a medium to low heat so that it cooks right through without burning on the outside. You'll be able to tell if it's cooked right through by looking at the sides of the meat and checking the doneness, and this will take about 10 minutes. To make the curry mustard, you want to add some mayo, curry powder, and mustard to a bowl and combine well. Now it's time to put together this burger. Now I'm using a homemade bun here, but feel free to use bread from your favorite bakery. Add a layer of curry mustard, add the lettuce, add a patty, top with some more curry mustard and some pickled red onions. And boom, your burger is complete. You might think that the tandoori spice and curry mustard will clash, but they're actually very different in flavor profiles and they complement each other very well. The chicken patty had a great smoky, spicy finish to it, while the curry mustard is creamy and mild. Now if you don't want to use bread, you could go ahead and make these as meatballs and enjoy it with pasta or with some stir-fried veggies. The full recipe could be found on eatahfood.com, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and give it a share. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content and like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. MmHmm.